One more time, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. Stretch. Good. Oh, guys, you're just in time. We're doing aerobics with Sue.
Sammy, when I told you I wanted to stretch a little, I didn't mean this.
You said your back hurt after working at the desk. You should take breaks more often. Right, guys? Sam, the instructor, won't steer you wrong.
Oh, can you remind me why you became my training instructor?
It's obvious. Slimes are the most active and flexible creatures. See?
Oh, all right, fine. So what's next?
So, stand on your left leg.
Okay, done.
Oh! Hey, Ginger, join us. Repeat after me. Ginger. All right, just you wait. Sam, the instructor, doesn't give up.
Sam, where are you going? I can't do this anymore. Oh! Sam, you're fired. Ugh.
Hello again, guys. The lesson of aerobics was canceled. A crafting lesson's about to start. And today we're gonna make, drum roll, a treadmill for a hamster.
Done.
Look, this is our future treadmill. Holy cannoli, it's gonna be so cool.
Well, let's get started. Oops.
What?
Oh, we forgot to measure Ginger. We can't make a treadmill properly this way. Oh, there he is! Quick, we need to catch him!
Wait!
Aha! Gotcha, buddy.
Here. And here. Perfect. I took all the measurements.
Here, Ginger, you've earned it. Great. Let's write down our hamster's characteristics. And it's time to cut out all the details. I'll ask our neighbor Roger to help us. He's really good at it.
It's really hard. And even dangerous. At this stage, it's better to ask an adult to help ya.
We're all set. Guys, check it out. Roger did a really good job.
I should ask him to teach me how to cut pieces so neat. It's amazing. We'll make the best treadmill in the world.
Guys, look! This is the side panel for our treadmill. We'll need 2. In each of them, you should drill 3 holes.
Make sure you ask an adult to help you with the drill.
You're doing great, guys!
What is this strange thing?
It's a motor! One of the main parts of our treadmill.
Interesting.
Yeah, I agree.
Oh, Ginger's gonna be thrilled!
Oh, sure. Now we need to put it all together. By the way, guys, do you like our wooden crafts? Write in the comments what you'd like to see more. Strange. Where did he go? Sam, where are you?
Here, I found it on the floor.
Thanks, you're the best assistant in the world. Now we need to join these 2 pieces this way. And here we insert a bolt. And like this. Secure it with a nut.
Huh, what a complicated system.
Well, we're making an unusual craft, Sammy. There we go. Let's hammer this nail. And another one. Be very careful at this stage, too. Perfect.
Now that is a cool craft.
With the help of this motor, the running belt will spin just like a real one.
Oh, my feta, we'll have a smart treadmill with a brain.
Well, what do we have here? Oh, to make our treadmill work, we need 2 plastic tubes like this. See? These are bearings. They'll make the tubes spin.
I know. They're used in spinners. That's why they spin this way.
Oh, careful, Sammy! First, we put a washer. And then the tube itself. This way. Ask an adult to cut a washer. This large, with a hole saw.
Oh, this thing is dangerous. Don't use it without adults.
This side of the tube goes here. Perfect. Now we connect them. And here we go. Awesome. Here's the final touch. Or better, nail.
Are you ready? Is it ready?
Yes, Sammy. I think we're doing great.
Guys, our treadmill's gonna come alive!
Remember the motor? We're going to connect it to the switcher to control the speed of the treadmill.
Sue, what if it won't work? It's gonna be a disaster!
Oh, calm down, Sammy. I twisted the wires this way so they can interact better with each other. And what are you gonna do?
Use your brain!
Wait, Sammy. First, we need to connect the wires with the motor.
Be careful! So cool! Ginger, did you like it? Hey, we're doing it for him and he doesn't even look!
Sammy, I'm sure he'll like the result. By the way, have you seen the switcher?
Come in, here you are.
Well done, Sammy. Attach the wire endings to the block from that side. I feel like a mine neutralizer. Let's fix them with the screws really well. Phew, now let's attach the front panel.
I brought it! Am I good?
Wow, thank you, Sammy. I owe you the biggest pizza without cheese.
Oh, pizza!
We just need a tiny bit of glue. Don't get stuck yourself.
Push it better.
Now let's secure the switcher. This way.
So when can Ginger finally assess our creation?
Oh, very soon. We're almost there. I only need to glue this with the hot glue. Let's try. It works!
And now let's decorate it.
Of course, Mr. Decorator. We have to do this. Let's glue it here. Looks nice. What do you think?
That's a real masterpiece.
Yes, just one main thing remains to be done.
You almost forgot the main thing!
Oh, everything's under control, Sammy. Ba-da-ba-da-ba-ba-ba-ba. Done. What else can we add?
I know. Add more details.
Go on, Sam. That's right up your alley.
Guys, check out what we made. It's super cool. Come on, Ginger, you're doing great.
Oh, he's trying so hard.
Oh, he did great indeed. Ginger will succeed.
I don't think he's gonna stop.
Oh,
What happened?
I didn't expect hamsters to run on the treadmill for so long. We've been training for 3 hours. He still wants more.
No way. Is our great instructor Sam tired?
Don't count on it. Come on, Ginger.
Guys, I hope you liked our video today. We'll be so happy if you give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel not to miss new videos. See you soon!
Phew, I'm here. See you guys.